looking at me. Teachers, quack, quack, quack. I see a little yellow duck, quack, quack, quack. And what is that then? Where's their two then? Fisty. Sheep, looking at me. I see a white duck looking at me. I see a purple cat looking at me. I see a green frog looking at me. I see a blue horse looking at me. I see a yellow quack quack brown bear. What's the next? The teacher. Where's the teacher?
Right here.
Brown teacher looking at me. I see a rabbit. I see a teacher looking at me. I see a little frog and a little fishy and a little bird and a little raspberry and a little quack quack and a little kitty cat and a little sheep and a little teacher and a little fish and a little frog and a horse and a dog and a quack 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 and dog and a teacher and the end.
The End of Brown Bear by Maddie Jane Barrick.